On July 21st, 2021 at about 3:22 p.m., officers conducted a traffic stop for a vehicle traveling 63 miles per hour in a 45 miles per hour zone. The vehicle was occupied by a driver along with front and rear passengers. The driver was identified by her driver's license. The front passenger lawfully declined to identify himself. The rear passengers were not wearing their seatbelts and were asked to identify themselves. The driver and rear passengers were later removed from the vehicle. A subsequent search of one of the rear passengers produced an empty corner of a plastic baggie from a passenger's pocket. The empty corner tear did not contain any illegal substance. However, this type of packaging is a common method for holding illegal drugs.
I got specks of green. You're good to search if you need to. Corner cut. What's what? What word?
I got you on camera, bro.
I got you on camera. We're all good.
Hey, bro, you just threw that in here.
Yeah, because it was in his pocket, and I don't want to hold on to it. That's on their body cam that they took it off of him, so.
You just threw that in here, bro. I got you on camera, man.
I'm telling you where it came from, so.
I got you on camera, bro.
It's an empty baggie at the moment, too, so. Okay, buddy. All right, thank you. All right, we're gonna step this way. All right, just keep your hands where I can see them, all right, bud? All right, you got any weapons on you or anything like that? Mind if I pat you on for weapons? Huh? I can pat you on for weapons. All right, put your hands behind your back for me. All right. Here, do you mind just popping your hands like this? There you go, there you go. No weapon?
I gotta get put in handcuffs.
No, I'm not putting you in handcuffs. No weapons or anything like that on you? Mind if I just search you and everything?
Why would you want to search me?
Just search and make sure you don't have any weapons on you. You good with that? Is that a yes? All right. What's this?
The charger.
Huh? What's the bags?
This jacket.
All right, if you go hold that for me.
I just get it back. I'm gonna get it back.
What was in the bags, man? Huh? Nothing?
Normal tie bags like this.
I'm gonna switch it down here. If you mind just getting that arm for me. Mind just relaxing your arm for me, bud. How much money you got in here? Approximately.
Oh no.
Like maybe we're talking
Probably like 70.
70 bucks. Okay, but one step forward for me. Alright, at this point in time, just relax for me, bud. Put your handcuffs for right now, alright?
Grab this so you don't drop it, just so it doesn't get broken.
How about you stay looking forward for me, man?